My name's Richard Nance, and I sell used trucks. I'd like to show you some Freightliners that I have here. I have 3 of them. We're going to walk down to the other one here in a minute. I wasn't trying to be lazy today, but the lot's all jammed up and I couldn't get these trucks out. So I didn't want to move all these trucks when I could do the video here. Super singles on these 2. As you can see, they're really nice trucks. They're 2021s, Cascadias, 192 wheelbase. Still have factory warranty. They're under 500,000 miles. You have factory warranty on the engine and transmission until 5/50 or January of 2026, and on the transmission 7/50 or January of 2026. So here's the 3rd one, guys. Like I say, really nice trucks, really clean. All the services are up to date. Just hoping somebody could use these. I'll pop the door open on this one. Local southern rust-free truck. Give me a call, Richard Nance, 336-663-2891. Thank you.